All right, number 1.
X squared minus 4.
Good. Number 3.
P squared minus 64.
And then number 5.
9x squared minus 4.
You got the knack. All right, good. All right, now example 2, we're going to, do, these are the square of a binomial pattern. Yeah, so this is the sum and difference pattern. The other one's a square of a binomial. And I got to tell you, like on SATs, they will do this all the time. They'll say x plus 2 squared equals x squared. This will be one of the choices. Okay? And that will be totally wrong. Okay? They'll be misleading you. Okay? Because it's not. It's going to be x plus 2 times x plus 2. All right, so but anyway, let's look at example 2. So it's 3n plus 4 squared. I think if you look at it in terms of always saying this exponent means that I'm multiplying this to itself that number of times, and you write it out, you'll see it, right? You won't fall for that. Okay, but if we did that square of a binomial pattern, remember what that was. That was the first term is squared plus, because this is plus, 2 times the first and second term plus the second term squared. Okay, so in this case, it's 3n is a. Okay, so what's a squared?
3n is a is.
So 3n times 3n is going to be what?
9n squared.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh my gosh.
9n squared. Okay, now this is the first term. That's the second term, right? This is a and this is b. The middle term is you multiply a and b and then double it. Okay. So what's 3n times 4?
12n.
Times 2?
24n.
So 24n. Okay, and then the second term squared is?
16.
16. Yeah. So 9n squared plus 24n plus 16.
Okay.
All right. All right, so let's do the second part of that example. We're going to do a difference of a binomial, the difference of binomial squared pattern, okay? So 2x minus, okay, and then they got 2, they're throwing in an extra variable now, 2x minus 7y, but it works exactly the same way. Remember, what's going to be a here? 2x, and b is going to be
7y.
7x, and my
7x?
pattern is going to be a squared. Now it's going to be a minus 2 times ab, and then plus b squared.
Is it
Okay.
going to be 7x or 7y?
It's 7. Oh, did I write it wrong? It's 2x minus 7y. Yes.
So b is going to equal 7x.
Oh, I see what you're saying. I was looking over here. Okay, yes.
Okay.
All right, so a squared is what?
4x squared.
4x squared. Okay, now we're going to multiply these things to each other. So what's 2x times 7y?
14xy.
14xy. And now double it. So just 14 plus 14.
14 plus 14 is 28.
Plus 28
xy.
xy. And then b squared is
49y squared.
plus
49.
49y squared.
Mhm.
Okay? All right, does that make sense?
Yes.
All right. Now, let's see. 7, 8, 9, 11. Okay, why don't you go ahead and do the odds there on that checkpoint.
Okay.
Okay.